my life without knowing directions. I wonder where I'm gonna be 10 years from now. I'm still thinking life ain't easy, homies. You gotta learn survival techniques from the basics. I was never brought up rich. I grew up fishing in shallow waters with real artists. Now you see me smiling, you're thinking it's doing good. Goddamn, I could fool you with just my mood, but my hustle is tight. That's the reason you was truly cannot sleep in the night. But I'm still strong, still hard, breaking the iron, still hot, still blazing, flame like a dragon. That's a jargon.